Watch how I take this boring wall from this to this. Hey nesters, so my wife is working this weekend and I've got the kids, so I figure it's the perfect day to start a project.
Yep. Okay. Yep.
Oh boy, I don't know if we're gonna be able to sleep in here tonight. What's mommy gonna think? Hey, you guys wanna cut some holes in the wall?
Hey Dada, can you start it a little for me?
Yeah, sure.
I'll just keep going.
I've been climbing for a while, waiting for the new way to come. I climbed this rock to be with the sun while sin dwellers fire guns that I can barely see.
So there's a lot of ways to get the smooth panel wall look. I decided on 1/8" plywood. It seemed to be reasonably priced, and I really like the subtle look of painted wood grain. I made the mistake of not priming it first, so it really soaked up the paint and it bubbled in a few places. That's the downside of painting plywood. Since I was covering up the drywall, I was able to pull some electrical wire from the outlet up to 3 wall sconces. My kids enjoyed doing the dirty work, cutting holes in the wall. To continue with the solid wood build, I chose some finger jointed pine for the frame. The best part of DIY projects is when the whole family gets to pitch in. It's an unforgettable experience and gives the kids a sense of pride in their hard work. If you get inspired by home improvement and DIY projects like I do, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep making more great videos like this.